Hello everyone, this is Ty from Tennessee. I am an IT professional and a motorcycle enthusiast. Today, I'm going to be reviewing with you the Custom Dynamics products that I've installed on my beautiful Harley Davidson Street Glide 2020. In the meantime, if you guys could, please subscribe to the channel, like and comment. If you leave a comment, I promise I'll get back to you. As well, wanted to let you guys know that TyFromTennessee.com and Ty from TN will take you to my main YouTube page. You can subscribe to them from there. So thank you guys very much, and let's get on with the review. Okay guys, you come rolling up, right? You come rolling up in a pack of other bikes. What's the first thing that everybody's going to see on your motorcycle? It's absolutely going to be your headlight, right? And this ProBEAM LED adaptive headlight from Custom Dynamics is the way to go. Now, I will say this up front. It is a significant investment. If I remember right, it was right around $725, $750, something like that. You can check the website for sure and find out that. But even though it was expensive, this headlight is fantastic. You've got your low beam, your high beam, your adaptive lights here on the side. And what that means is that as you are leaning into a turn, the technology in the headlight can detect that and provides more visibility and more light in that area that you're going. So again, the safety factor is absolutely there. The cool factor is absolutely there. I mean, have you seen the startup sequence on this headlight? Let me show you that. So this is the OEM factory headlight that comes from Harley. So you can see just from the number of lights here, there's a significant difference. And this light tends to be more yellow and dimmer. This is just so bright and really just lights up the road very much. Now, when it comes to the difficulty level, I don't have any experience in automotive. I don't have any experience in motorcycle repair or that type of thing. Very low on this. I was able to figure it out. If I'm able to figure it out, you guys will be able to figure it out. Just a couple different screws that this plate comes off here, then the headlight pops out. And then there was a small adapter that you plug into. You take the old headlight out, plug that adapter into. I'll see if I can get some footage of that for you. And after that, you're off and running. So it was really easy, pretty expensive, but a great product from Custom Dynamics. I really love it, and I highly recommend it. So as you guys can see, here's the ProBEAM adaptive headlight, right? Custom Dynamics, when you purchase this, at least the time when I purchased it, they provided this adapter right here. So the adapter plugs into the headlight right here, and then it also plugs into the bike at this type of connector. I don't know the name of these connectors, so I'm just trying to show you the picture. So it plugs into the bike there, plugs into the bike here, and then the headlight sits back in the motorcycle. Editing video, I made this look really easy. Nah, really not bad at all. Okay guys, just as important as the headlight is that we just discussed for safety and coolness factor, of course, we want to do the same thing with our turn signals, right? That's an important safety feature. So right off the bat, one of the very first things that I did for a Custom Dynamics product was installed the LED blinkers. Now the set of them, front and rear, will go about $219 if I remember right from Custom Dynamics website. Again, very bright, high visibility. You can be seen. There are other options and add-ons with Custom Dynamics when it comes to that. We'll get to those in just a moment. But this is just a safety feature that to me is a no-brainer. Yeah, it's a couple $100, but it's just so well worth it. I went with the smoked lens on the front of my bike. On the rear, I've got the red to match everything. We'll look at that. But I just thought this looked cool, kind of set off some of the dark colors on the bike. And one thing I wanted to show you, find it here, here we go. Now from Harley, this was the original blinker cover that came on. You get one of these bulbs in your turn signal, right? Just one little bulb, a little halogen bulb. These are so easy to install. Piece of cake, an absolute piece of cake. This bulb, you push in, you turn, it pops out. The whole custom dynamics piece sits in here. You don't really have to do any wiring other than, again, push in and turn. And then you put your turn signal cap on there and you are done. And it works flawlessly. Again, difficulty very low, and another product from Custom Dynamics I would highly recommend. If you're looking to kind of step your game up on Custom Dynamics, one of the things I would recommend are these BATWINGZ Fairing lights. These things are fabulous, and what they do is they integrate with your turn signals. So when you're turning, they go from white to amber. When you're done turning and you clear your signal, they go back to white. Again, high visibility. At night, they really light up the silhouette of your bike so people can see you coming. A great safety feature, and they look super cool. Difficulty level on this wasn't too bad. I had to watch a couple of instructional videos to learn how to take the fairing off. These, if I remember right, I believe the turn signals have to come off because there's a couple of connectors that you have to do. Again, I'll link that description to people who have already done the work on that. But my review on this is that these are well worth the money. A great product to have. If you ride a street glide, I highly recommend this. All right, I think we're going to end the video right here, but stay tuned for part 2 of my Custom Dynamics video, where we go over and I review the Custom Dynamics products I have on the rear of the bike. But for now, as I try to grow this small channel into something much larger, please subscribe, like, comment, do all those things for me, and I promise I'll get back with you. Thank you and have a good day.